looks like suds, dude.
That's what we're spinning it up. Awesome. Yeah. Not on rinse. Are you doing it on rinse?
No, we're all done.
That was awesome. That was awesome.
Why?
I don't know. I just love washers.
You love washers?
Yeah.
What do you mean? What kind of washers do you love?
This one.
I know, but
Can I watch the video?
isn't this a top load?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you liked front loaders only.
Yeah, I just like it.